Splish, splash, splash. It's a colorful blush. A brown leaf floats in a bathtub. Does the leaf make noise? I doubt. Yep, a little colorful leaf plunges into the bath. Makes a sigh as a sign of relief. Soon other leaves join the bath. Spattering the drops, they do hope. Here, over there, and everywhere. The leaves play, they giggle. They spray, they wiggle. They make fun, they relish. Oh, I could be these leaves, I wish. Hey wait, how come the leaves look so cute? Oh, they are munias, scaly-breasted munias. Like the splashes they splatter, my worries they spatter. Cute little munchkin peas make me shed happy tears after years. Want to see birds bath? Want to see they dance? Want to hear them sing? Want to see them truly confide? Just make a garden. Place a bird bath. They'll come, dance and enjoy and make you do the same.